Welcome to InfoGamer. My name's Mark.
My name's Nathan.
We want to show you guys how to play Knife Fight or Knife Shot.
Knife
What's
Hit.
the game called? Yeah, Knife Hit.
These names are, just
Yeah, they're
spot
spot on. Jinx. Okay, so essentially what we guys like to show is how to play games and also how to code games. So if you like either of those, please leave a subscribe and a like. Now let's get playing some Knife Fight.
Yeah.
So how essentially do you play this game, Nate?
So it seems like there is a cylindrical disc that keeps spinning at random. It spins at different speeds and different directions. And then you have a certain amount of knives, as you can see by the little knife icons on the bottom left corner of your screen. And then as you click, it'll throw a knife into the cylindrical disc, which looks like, a block of wood. And then as you keep clicking, you keep throwing knives.
Essentially, you don't want to hit a knife that is already in the circle disc. And so we can show you how to be really good at this game because you can get to like stage 5 or 6 really, really fast. So should we go ahead and show how to play?
Yeah, I'm already on stage 4.
What, you cheater?
What?
Now, if you just throw them really fast, you can get to stages really fast. All right, I'm already on stage 4.
Oh, I'm on a boss battle. It's a lemon.
Somehow this
Whoa, look how many knives I have to throw.
spinning too fast. So, okay, boss fight. Wow, what? I just threw a knife. Oh, geez.
So
Anyway.
it seems like there's no time limit to how fast you have.
And you can really get those just by clicking. You don't want to click too fast. But, again, I'm already almost... Oh, I lost at stage 4.
Yeah.
But that's essentially how you play this game. It's pretty fun and easy. If you guys haven't played it yet, I recommend playing it. See if you guys can beat our high score.
It's kind of about precision, but also about speed. Because you are right that, like, oh, now I have one more knife to throw, and now it's all about timing it. Because there's like a tiny gap because I was going so fast. There we go. Stage 6. I think you have to throw more knives at the bosses than you normally do. Oh, that looked cheap.
You can get through these so fast, for the most part, if you just click really, really fast. I'm already on a boss fight. I just passed the boss and whoop, stage 6. I unlocked a lemon defeated.
Yeah, I beat the lemon. The
boss knife unlocked.
So
lemon defeated.
There is a little bit right there on that last game I played where I threw the first knife and the disc wasn't even moving, and so when I threw the second knife because I was going too fast, it made me lose because the knife I had first thrown was sticking in the thing, and then I threw a second one because it wasn't moving.
So when the disc starts slowing down, you don't want to be clicking fast at that moment.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed playing Knife Hit with us. Let us know if you guys beat our high score in the comments below.
Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out all our other videos where you can learn how to make awesome video games.
Yeah, if Knife Hit can get to the top of the screen, like top of the charts, you guys can definitely make a game that gets to the top of the charts. So leave a like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have boom.
Have a good night.